Layla adjusted her hijab nervously as she waited in the Islamic bookstore. She had come to collect a rare tafsir Quranic commentary for her father. Across the aisle, Zayd, a medical student with a passion for hadith, reached for the same book. Their hands brushed accidentally. Oh, sorry, Zayd stepped back, lowering his gaze. Layla smiled shyly. It's okay. You take it, But Zayd insisted, please, your father needs it more. Chapter 2, a Halal connection, Weeks later, they met again at a community halaqa. The topic, love in Islam, patience and purpose. The speaker recited, and among his signs is that he created for you mates from among yourselves, that you may dwell in tranquility with them, Quran 30-21. After the lecture, Zayd approached Layla's father, a respected scholar, to formally express his interest in Layla. I admire her piety, Zayd said. I seek your permission to know her. With Allah's guidance, the waiting game, For months, they communicated, only with a mahram guardian present, discussing deen, dreams, and dua. Layla loved how Zayd's eyes sparkled when he spoke about opening a free clinic. Zayd adored her passion for teaching Quran to orphans. One evening, under her father's supervision, Zayd asked, Layla, will you walk with me on the path of Jannah? Tears welled in her eyes. Only if we keep Allah at the center. Nikah and new beginnings, On a blessed Friday, surrounded by family and Quranic verses, they said, Kabaltu I accept, Their wali guardian reminded them, the best marriage is one with the least hardship and most love. Hadith. As they shared dates sunnah of the Prophet PBUH, Zayd whispered, Layla, our story is just beginning. Bayathnillah, image suggestion. A simple nikah ceremony with joyful guests, Epilogue. Love that elevates, Years later, their clinic and Quran school thrived. Every night before sleep, they'd recite Ayat al-Kursi together, thanking Allah for writing their souls into one story. Not just for this world, but for Akira. Lowering the gaze, Quran 20 for 30-31. 2. Involving guardians, in relationships. 3. Love with a higher purpose, serving Allah together.